Okay, good afternoon, students, and today we will continue the HTML tables. So I start with the HTML, then head tag, then title, and title I will take table, then head tag close, and then I start body. Now in this I type H in H1 HTML tables, H1 close, and I start table tag. After that, I start here TR and then TD, roll number. In place of TD, I am taking TH. After that, there is name, and then here is marks. Then I close the row, and again I'm going to create another row. Here I take TD. Here is a row number 1. TD close. Name of the student is, and then TD close. Then marks. After that, I create another row, and here row number 2. Marks. Then row number 3. After that, I close the table. And then close the body. Then close HTML tag. I save the file. New.html. So look at here. File is here. If I want to display the outline, the way is border equal to 4 or 5. So look at here. Now suppose the marks of Aman is 98. I'm saving this. So look at here, marks is same. So I want to merge these two cells. Okay, beta, my question is, what I'm going to discuss here, if I want to merge two cell vertical merging means 98 मैं चाहता हूँ कि दोनों सेल मर्ज हो जाएं और एक ही सेल बन जाए और उसमें 98 लिखा हो. Okay student, vertical merge means this is merging two rows. So look at here, दोनों रो मर्ज हो रही है. तो what you will do here, in 98 in Amrit, ठीक है, in 98 you will type here row span is equal to, आपने कितने सेल को मर्ज करना है, टू सेल्स को. This one you want to merge this cell, so there is a row span, और whenever you will give the second row, उसमें आपने 98 वैल्यू प्रोवाइड नहीं करनी. Is it clear? Now I am saving this. Look at here. This is vertical merging. So whenever two, it means first row, second row, these are merging cells are there. तो आपने यहाँ पे देनी है row span. So row span is an attribute of a TD or TH tag. It is not an attribute of a body tag or a TR tag. It is an attribute of a TD or TH tag. So this is called row span. Now, in place of a row span, if I want to merge the cells column wise, it means horizontal merging I want. So suppose in place of a third row, I want to merge 3 and Sumit. जो आपके पास सेल नंबर 3 और सुमित, अगर मैंने इसको मर्ज करना है, तो this is called, look at here, row span. So look at here, in TD here is col span. How many cells you want to merge? 2 cells. So here I type 3, and second cell I will delete here. I am going to delete this cell. I am saving this. So look at here. So this is row span. This is col span. Akhilesh, this concept is clear?
Yes, sir.
Bhumika? Okay, students. Now I am going to create one table. So another example, of spanning. Okay, students. Here in first line, a first row, I will use TH and coal span equal to 4, and after that I will type marks, then TH will be closed. Now in second line, I type here English, and then mass, then economics, then physics, then TR close. In second TR, sorry, in third TR, I'm giving 67, 69, 89, then 77, then 92. So I'm going to save the web page. Here is, so look at here. There is one problem. I'm checking that coal span 4. So look at here, the coding. So here are 4 cells, but in first row, 4 cell merged. So there is a coal span. So any doubt in this? Daksh, any doubt? Yashit?
No, sir.
Okay, beta. Now the span question, we will discuss some more questions I will discuss. But before that, if I have given here height and width, okay, students. Now, when the height and width attributes are declared inside a table, we have 2 type of alignment. One is called horizontal alignment, another is called vertical alignment. Look at here. In we can declare alignment in TR. We can also if remember one thing, if we set the alignment attribute in table, the alignment will be on the basis of your web page. The complete table will be aligned right, left, or center. Look at here. Align equal to right. I save the file. Look at here. Complete web page is in the right side. So if we want to align the contents, so look at here. In case I want to align content, so these are the align attributes of TR tag or TH tag, TH or TDA tag. So look at here. Align equal to right. I'm saving the document. Look at here. The marks will be in the right hand side. So this is called the horizontal alignment. Suppose I declared in in English I declare align equal to right. So look at here. I refresh the page. Look at here. So we can declare the align attribute in TR, TD, and TH. There is another type of alignment that is called V-align, vertical alignment. So in align attributes, the values may be right, left, center. But in the case of your V-align, the values may be top, middle, bottom. So look at here. In English, I declared V-align equal to top. By default, it is always in middle. The align attribute is always by default left, but V-align by default middle. So look at here, top of the cell. Next, in math, I declare V-align equal to bottom. Look at here. So this is the V-align is applicable only if we increase the height of the table. If we have not increased the height of the table, so the V-align will not work. So this is V-align. So we can apply align and V-align together in same cell. Raghav, any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Raghav Siddhana? Yes, beta.
सर वी लाइन की वैल्यूज रिपीट करना
Beta, top, middle, bottom. By default, it is always middle. If we are not given any value, it will take middle. Okay, students. Next is because there are some more attributes, or sorry, tags of a table. These are called T body, T foot and T head. Basically, these tags are used for grouping of rows. तो ये टैग ग्रुपिंग करने के लिए यूज होते हैं. Otherwise, we can use body T body to foot to head anywhere in the table, but according to the name, T foot should be used in the top of your table, T body in the middle of the table, and T head at the bottom of the table. So I am increasing the number of rows in the table in order to explain this feature. So look at here. I am saving the document and refreshing. So look at here. So now I am using here after a table tag, I am using here T head and BG equal to green, and after first line and then second line I close T head. तो मैंने यहाँ पे क्या दिया, T head में एक एट्रीब्यूट दे दिया BG color equal to green. So look at here, and I include 2 rows inside that T head. So I'm saving this. I'm refreshing the web page. So look at here. तो उस ग्रुप के अंदर जितनी रोज आ जाएंगी सभी के ऊपर ये फीचर अप्लाई हो जाएगा. दिस इज फॉर ग्रुपिंग ओनली. सो नेक्स्ट इज then next two rows I declared here T body. आप T body की जगह T head भी लगा दोगे तब भी वर्क करेगा, बट ट्रेडिशन ये है बॉडी आपकी मिडल में लगेगी, हेड टॉप में एंड फुट एट द बॉटम. सो हियर टू T body BG color equal to yellow. Then after 2 rows I close the T body tag. Now I save the document. So look at here. So we can apply feature on similar feature on number of rows. And now I'm using T foot, and next 2 lines I use T foot and BG color equal to red, and then after number of lines I close this before table tag T foot. Now I saved the document. And then refresh. So look at here. So this is about T foot, T head, and T body. So these are used for grouping. So you can replace it in the place of suppose आपने beginning में T head use कर लिया in place of T body, in the place of T head. So there is no any issue. But tradition say head at in the top, then middle में body, and bottom there is a foot. Yes, but a doubt.
सर ये सिर्फ टेबल में यूज हो सकता है?
Yes, this can be used only in table.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर.
Welcome, beta. Bhumika.
सर पीजी कलर और बैकग्राउंड दोनों इकट्ठे नहीं यूज मतलब
बेटा
एक टाइम पे.
बेटा रिमेम्बर वन थिंग कि आप यहाँ पे इन केस यू आर यूजिंग सपोज हियर in the case of T head you use BG color, it's okay, but you can't use background in the same tag. हाँ, आप T body में आप background attribute लगा लो. Look at here. So this is better. But in same tag, we can't use BG color and background because BG color means solid color and background means any image. So this is not possible.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Better. So if you have any doubt, raise your hands. There is another attribute of another tag of table tag, that is caption. So caption is a heading of the table. So I declare after table tag, look at here, I will use caption, and then this is my table. Then caption close. So caption is the title of the page. It will be always placed in the center of the table. So look at here. This is called caption. So this is the coding of a caption. After table tag, declare caption tag. Then after that, contents, and then caption tag close.